How to create a ghost zoom effect in After Effects. To create a ghost zoom effect, first choose a clip that you want to use. Very logical, haha. Once you have done this, duplicate the clip using the shortcut Ctrl D. Next, select the layer and use the shortcut S to open the scale keyframes. Make one at the beginning and another a little further along with a value of 175. After you have done this, select the keyframes and make them easy ease. Then go to the graph editor and copy the graph. Now select the layer again and use the shortcut T to open the opacity keyframes. Create a keyframe at the beginning and another with a value of 0. That's the same length as the scale keyframe. After creating these keyframes, select them and make them easy ease. Then go to the graph editor and copy the graph. Make sure that the motion blur is on for making it a lot smoother. Finally, if you desire, you can add more effects like brightness or shake to give it a nice look. There we go, you have successfully created a very nice ghost zoom effect. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.